Hey guys, Mark Habel here, Evolve Air Conditioning, Heating and Plumbing out of Las Vegas. I'm here with Jean. We just got done with our filtration system that we put in about a week ago, actually exactly a week ago, last Saturday. Since then, she's had the ability to experience it and enjoy the fresh, clean water. What do you think about that water that you have now, Jean?
What I like about it is I'm actually feeling a difference in my skin. Before this, the water was so hard that I'm having to go through gallons of moisturizer. Not so bad anymore.
And you would recommend us, right?
Absolutely. I don't call anybody else.